response here at the Smart IoT event has been good, more than we expected. And one of the main things there, I think, is because people understand that they need to come to events like this and really listen to what vendors are doing. It allows us to cross-pollinate ideas, listen to what some of your competitors are doing, and more importantly, listen to what some of the users and also partners are finding as challenges within the sector. So it's really that aggregation of ideas and challenges in one single place.
It provides a platform for us to be able to bring to life capability that we're enabling within our network that's going to really pave a future of innovation from an IoT perspective. Delegates have been really interesting in terms of what we're doing from an industry perspective. It's been really interesting and exciting to understand some of the challenges they have, how we can help support those challenges and deliver really great outcomes for them and their customers.
It's about leveraging the data, the use of technology, and how we can get the benefit back to our clients. That's the biggest thing which the facility management is doing. Last year when I came here, it was pretty packed, but it's still a very good crowd out here and a very good number of technology companies out here.
So events like this allow the industry to come together, compare notes and exchange ideas, which is really beneficial in making sure together we move forward as one group. I think the show's great. There's some great ideas being exchanged, some good people coming together from industry and talking and discussing different points. My seminar went really well. I presented on a digital twin approach and what that means for us as a sector, and it was really well received.
In order to get your messages out well, you can do it in different ways. You can obviously have a place here at the conference, but you can also go on stage and bring knowledge. And I think bringing knowledge to a keynote is a very good way to not just position yourself, but also to spread knowledge. I think this year we've really elevated it in a way where the content is so much more about experiences, it's about use cases. We've tried to get rid of all the marketing stuff and all the buzzwords, and this year we're just hearing about what people have done and the knowledge that they have.
This space and exhibitions like this allow the manufacturers to work together. It provides a place for you to make partnerships with other manufacturers as well. So for us, yeah, they kind of serve two purposes really. The response has been good. The people that we've spoken to are good quality people, and you know, the people that have come to us have been showing genuine interest, which for us is fantastic. So yeah, in general, it's been very good.
So many different companies all in one place, and it's so easy to network with people, have really casual conversations about things and actually gain loads of insights that you didn't necessarily know before. It's been really busy. I feel like every time I walk a couple of steps there's somebody that I want to have a conversation with, another stall I want to stop at. So that's really good. I think I'm definitely getting the most out of it and I'm just looking forward to tomorrow.